Thank you for watching Makeup by Kira. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I did the look I have on right now using the new Huda Beauty Neon Palette, which I'm obsessed with. And also how I applied Lashes by Kira in Nova, which I'm wearing right now. So keep watching. First, I'm going to prep my skin with Water Drench by Peter Thomas Roth. I'm applying Face Tape Foundation using Bobbi Brown's Full Coverage Face Brush and applying the foundation all over my face. I'm using Fenty Beauty Foundation Stick in the shade Amber to contour my nose. I'm first going to blend the contour color with my finger, and then using the leftover foundation on my brush, I'm going to go over it one more time to blend it even more. I'm using Shape Tape Concealer for under my eyes, and now I'm using NARS Orgasm Liquid Blush for my cheeks and using a dense brush to blend it in. I love this liquid blush. It has a little bit of golds in it and it really makes your skin look glowing and radiant. Now I'm blending in the concealer with a damp beauty blender, avoiding blending it over the blush. Now with the same concealer, I'm putting it on my eyelids to prep my eyes for the shadow. Now using Laura Mercier translucent powder, I'm baking underneath my eyes and also on the sides of my nose to make my contour really stand out, and also anywhere that tends to get oily or crease. After a few minutes, I use a small fluffy brush and blend out the powder, and as you can see, it's a lot brighter in those areas. I'm using Urban Decay's Brow Blade for my eyebrows, and I'm using the pencil part first just to shape out my eyebrow. And as I fill out towards the inner part of my eyebrow, I go a lot lighter with the pencil to give it that more of a faded look. And now using the other end, I'm creating hair-like strokes on my eyebrow so it looks very natural. Now going in with the light purple shade, I'm using a blending brush and just putting it into the corner of my eyelid and blending it halfway in my crease. Now I'm taking this peachy pink color and putting it into the other corner of my eyelid using another blending brush and meeting the purple halfway into the crease. Now taking the Shape Tape Concealer in a lighter shade, I'm applying it onto the center of my eyelid using an Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer brush. I'm taking this light purple shade and packing it onto my eyelid using a small shader brush. Now I'm going back in with the peachy pink and the purple color and just blending the concealer in with the eyeshadow colors. Now I'm going to take the peachy pink color and I'm just going to blend it on top of the purple. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the other side, so I'm going in with the light purple shade and just blending it into the corner of my eyelid and also bringing it halfway into my crease. And then taking the pink shade and blending it into the inner corner of my eyelid and meeting the purple halfway. The concealer part didn't record, but now I'm taking the small shader brush and again with that light purple shade, I'm packing it onto my eyelid. And again, I'm taking the light purple shade and the pink shade and just blending it out so there's no line where the concealer was. I'm blending out the purple with the peachy pink eyeshadow color, and I'm also going to take the purple eyeshadow and put it on top of the pinky eyeshadow just because I didn't like the way it looked. Now I'm mixing the two colors together and shading it onto my lower eyelid using a small shader brush. Now using a clean blending brush, I'm just blending out my eyeshadow right below my eyebrow. I'm using NYX Epic Ink Liner, and I always begin by drawing out my wing first, and I just find that this is the easiest way for me to do winged eyeliner. Now taking MAC's Fascinating White Eye Pencil, I'm lining my lower lid, and I find that white eyeliner really opens up your eye. Now I'm taking Clinique's Power Lash Mascara, and I love this mascara because it never leaves dots underneath my eyes. Now I'm going to apply these cute lashes. They're Lashes by Kira in Nova. They're 100% mink, and I'm going to take Duo White Glue, and I always wait 30 seconds before applying the eyelashes so the glue is tacky and it doesn't make a mess. Now I'm going to apply bronzing powder by MAC and Refined Golden using a large angled contour brush, and I'm applying the bronzer all around my face and in the hollows of my cheeks to contour and give my skin a nice glow. Now I'm dampening my beauty blender with facial spray. I dipped it in translucent powder, and now I'm baking right underneath my contour. I'm taking Anastasia Loose Highlighter in So Hollywood and applying it in the middle of my forehead and onto my cheekbone. Now with the smaller brush, I'm going to take the same highlighter to highlight my nose and also apply it on the inner corners of my eyes and on my Cupid's bow. With the same small fluffy brush I used earlier, I'm using that to blend out my translucent powder underneath my contour color. I'm using Dolce K by Kylie Jenner for lip liner, and I'm starting at the bottom of my lip. To line my upper lip, I always like to start at the corner and work my way up, which creates a nice curved line. For my lip color, I'm using Georgie Girl by Marc Jacobs lipstick. And to top it off, I'm using Rave Bunny lip gloss by MAC, which is very thick and has so much sparkle to it, but I love it. And I'm just going on top of the lipstick with the gloss. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you have any questions about what products I used, everything is listed below. Also, if you have any questions on where to purchase these lashes, you can purchase them on my website at makeupbykira.com, or you can purchase them on Amazon, and they're at a discounted price. They're all cruelty-free. They're 100% mink, and these you can get about 20 to 30 uses out of one pair, and these never break on me, so finally a pair that don't break easily. Definitely check that out on Amazon. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.